Hi, good morning students. This is Somaraj, Mathematics faculty, Diamond Institute of Maths. Today our topic is functions. Functions, how to find the onto function and one function. Okay, how to find the one function and onto function. Okay, listen, this is very important session. This is the previous questions. This is the question number 1. The function f maps R to R, f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15 by x square minus 2x plus 9, x belongs to R is, first option is equal to both 1 and onto, and second option is equal to onto but not 1 and third option is equal to neither 1 and nor onto, and fourth option is equal to 1 but not onto. Okay, what is the given function? Okay, you have check 1 first. F of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15 by x square minus 2x plus 9. Okay, first you have find the differentiation. Okay, you have find the differentiation. Okay, f dash of x is equal to, by using u by v formula, x square minus 2x plus 9 whole square. Okay, v into u dash plus v into u dash minus u into u dash, that is the formula. This is v into x square minus 2x plus 9 into, this is the derivative is equal to 2x plus 2 minus, next this is the derivative, this is the same right here. Next this is the derivative is equal to minus, this is the v into u dash, next v into u dash, u into v dash, u is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15, u dash is equal to, what is the u dash? U dash is equal to x square means 2x minus 2. Okay, simplify this one first. Okay, f dash of x is equal to 2x into x square, 2x cube, 2x into 2x is equal to minus 4x square. Next 2x into 9 equal to 18 plus 18x. Next 2 into x square plus 2x square. Next 2 into 2x is equal to minus 4x. Next 2 into 9 is equal to 18 minus of this one, 2x into x square equal to 2x cube, 2x into 2x is equal to 4x square. Next 2x into 15 is equal to minus 30x. Next minus 2 into x square is equal to minus 2x square. Minus 2 into minus 4x, minus 2 into minus means this is the plus 30, plus 30. Okay, applying the minus, this is 2x cube by whole by x square minus 2x plus 9 whole square, x square. Okay, this is whole square, right? Next this is equal to here, right? Okay, what is the 2x cube and 2x cube get cancelled, 4x minus 4x square minus 4x square minus 8x square, 18x, this is also positive value. Okay, next 2x square, both are added first, next subtraction, 4x square 2x square is called minus 2x square, right? Minus 2x square minus 2x square. Next 14x, 4x means this is 14, 18 minus 4 means 14 plus 14x plus 18 minus 4x square 2x square is equal to minus, this is the plus means minus 2x square, next 30x, 4x minus 34 means plus 34x, next plus 30 minus 30 by x square minus 2x plus 9 whole square. Okay, next 2x square 2x is equal to minus 4x square, this is the 34x, this is 34 plus 34x 14x. Okay, total, right? This is also remaining, right? Here what is the answer? 2x minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 4x square, 14x 34, 14 plus 34 48x plus 48x, 18 minus means this is 12, minus 12, this is the minus 12 by x square minus 2x plus 9 whole square. Okay, this is the f dash of x, f dash of x. What is the common here? 4 is the common. Here minus 4 is the common. Minus 4 is the common means here x square 4 1s 4 2s plus minus minus 12x. This is also 4 means this is the minus 3. Minus is the common means plus 3 by x square minus 2x plus 9 whole square. Okay, this is the f dash of x. This is the f dash of x. Okay, f dash of x. What is the range? What is the domain? This is the domain. R is the domain. Okay, domain of the function R is the domain means minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, right. In this case, suppose for example x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1, right? Minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 4 into minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. This is the plus 12. This is plus 3. This is plus 3. Totally, this is the negative value. This is the positive value. This is the negative value. This is the less than or greater than or equal to 0. Next, we have, right, x is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to 1, right? Positive value. Real number. So, minus infinity to plus infinity value. This one. Minus infinity to plus infinity. Real numbers. Okay, domain. Check the domain. Okay, here x is equal to 1, right? 1. This is the 1 minus 4 into 1. This is the minus 12. This is plus 3. This is plus 3. Okay, this is the minus 12 means minus 8 to minus into minus. So this is negative value only. This is the negative value less than or equal to 0. This is the negative value less than or equal to 0. This is the positive value. Okay, this is the negative minus 8 minus into minus plus to negative positive value greater than or equal to 0. Function is increasing and decreasing. F dash of x greater than or equal to 0 and f dash of x less than or equal to 0. Okay, both values are possible. Here both values are possible means this is 1 1 or 1 1 not 1 1. This is the many one function. This is the many one function, not 1 1. This is the not 1 1. Not 1 1. Not 1 1 means what is the function? This one many one function. This is the many one. This is the many one function. Okay, next here next check the onto function. Onto function means quadratic by quadratic not equal to range. Okay, what is the quadratic by quadratic? F of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. X square plus 2x minus 15 by x square minus 2x plus 9. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. Here write the quadratic equation simplification. This is the minus 15. This is 2. Okay, 5 into 3. 5 minus 3, right? This is the quadratic equation is right as x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. Okay, x is the common, x plus 5 minus 3 is the common, x plus 5. Okay, here x plus 5 into x minus 3. Okay, this is x plus 5 into x minus 3. X plus 5 into x minus 3. Okay, here this is the one quadratic equation. This is right as x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to, suppose for example this is f of x is equal to 0, right? This is example 0, you right. This is the x is equal to minus 5 and this is 3. This is b set is equal to 0. Okay, this is mapping 0. This is also mapping 0. This is the many one function. This is the many one function. This is the range not equal to, this is the range quadratic by quadratic. This is the range not equal to codomain. This is the range of the quadratic equal to range not equal to, this is the codomain means R. This is the not equal to codomain. Okay, this is the many one function. Here also check many one function. Next range not equal to, what is the range not equal to R. Range not equal to R means this is the onto. No onto. This is the into function. This is the into function. Okay, into function and many one function. Okay, which option is the correct? This is the neither 1 1 nor onto. This is the third option is correct. Neither 1 1 and nor onto is the correct option is correct. Okay, right. Okay, this is the question number 2. Let R to R, F maps R to R be a function such that f of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square plus 1. Then first one equal to f of x is many one open interval to minus infinity to plus minus infinity to minus 1 open interval. Second option is equal to f of x is many 1 open interval 1 to infinity open interval. Next third option is equal to f of x is 1 1 closed interval 1 to infinity but not in open interval minus infinity to plus infinity, means real numbers. Okay, f of x is equal to f of x is 1 1 in open interval minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, this is 1 1. Okay, right, these are options. Okay, well, how to check this one? First 1 1 function or onto function. Okay, first check 1 1 function means this is the differentiation f of x. What is the f of x value? F of x is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 by x square plus 1. Check 1 1 function means differentiation of the function. Okay, differentiation of the function means f dash of x is equal to u by v formula. U by v is equal to x square plus 1 v into this is the u dash means 2x plus 2 minus 2 minus x square plus 2x plus 1 into x square derivative is equal to 2x 1 derivative is equal to 0 2x by total whole square x square plus 1 whole square. This is the u by v formula. U dash plus u v dash by minus u v dash by x square plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the formula, you know this one. Equal to f dash of x is equal to this one equal to this is simplify this one 2x into 1 is equal to 2x. Next 2 into 1 x square is equal to 2x square. Next 2 into 1 plus 2. Okay, minus of this one totally minus 2x into x square is equal to 2x cube minus 2x cube. This is minus 4x square. This is minus 2x by x square plus 1 whole square x square plus 1 whole square. 2x cube minus plus both are cancelled. 4x square, this is the minus 2x square minus 2x square. Next 2x square minus 2x also cancel. 2x also cancel. This is the plus 2 by x square plus 1 whole square x square plus 1 whole square. What is the common here? Minus 2 is the common, means x square minus 1 by x square plus 1 whole square x square plus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the minus 2 into x square minus 1 means x plus 1 into x minus 1 by x minus 1 by x square plus 1 whole square. This is the f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to, what is the x value? X is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 1. Here write this is the number line. This is the 1, this is the minus 1. Okay, minus 1 to minus infinity and plus 1 to plus infinity. Check the values here. Minus 1 to negative value, you have to take the negative value. Suppose minus 1 0, this is totally 0. Okay, minus 2 you have to take minus 2 means this is the minus 1, this is the minus 2 means this is also minus into minus plus this is minus means totally minus, this is the totally minus. Okay, next positive value you have to take positive value. Okay, next positive value. Okay, check once here. 1 1 function means 1 to infinity, only 1 1 function 1 to infinity. Okay, right here 1 1 function 1 to infinity. Okay, x is equal to 1, right? X is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 1 means 1 plus 1 2. This is the 0 means this is the 0. Okay, greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 0, anyone. Okay, next x is equal to 2. X is equal to, put x is equal to 2 in this equation, the f dash of x is equal to 2 means 2 plus 1 3. 2 means this is the 1, no, this is the negative value. X is equal to 3 plus 1 4 this is also positive value, positive into negative means this is the f dash of x less than or equal to 0. This is the less than or equal to 0. Only decreasing function. This is the decreasing function. Next this side is equal to negative value. You have write negative value means 0. Next put x is equal to minus 1. This is the minus 2 right here. Minus 2 into minus 2 means minus 1, minus 2 minus into minus plus this is the minus means this is also negative value. Okay, both side also negative values means this is the not possible. This is 1 to infinity is the 1 1 function. 1 to closed interval, 1 to infinity open interval. This is the 1 1 function. 1 to infinity 1 1, but not in minus infinity to plus infinity, but not in minus 1 infinity plus infinity. This is the option 3 is correct. Option 3 is correct answer. Okay, understand? Check the function. This one check the function. What is the values? Negative values and positive values. Which are the correct option? Okay, check once. Right. Okay, this is the question number 3. This is 2025 question, PYQ. First, third question is the function f maps minus infinity to plus infinity to minus infinity to 1. Minus infinity to 1 open interval. This is the domain. This is the range. This is the domain and this is the range. Defined as f of x is equal to 2 power x plus 2 power minus x by 2 power x plus minus 2 power plus this is the plus this is the minus. Okay, 2 power x, okay, this is the minus, upside only minus, right? Upside only minus, this is the plus. 2 power x minus 2 power minus x, 2 power x plus 2 power minus x, 2 power minus x. That is the question. Okay, first option is equal to onto but not 1 1. Onto but not 1 1. Both 1 1 and onto. Okay, both are possible here. Next, third option is called 1 1 but not onto. Okay, fourth option is called neither 1 1 and nor onto. Okay, first we have check 1 1 function or not. First, what is the function? Given function is equal to f of x is equal to 2 power x minus 2 power minus x by 2 power x plus 2 power minus x equal to, this is right as 2 power x minus 1 by 2 power x by, this is also right as 2 power x plus 1 by 2 power x, 1 by 2 power x. Simplify this one, 2 power x, 2 power 2x. 2 power x whole square means 2 power 2x minus 1 by 2 power x means 2 power, downside also 2 power x, both are cancelled. Here also 2 power 2x plus 1 plus 1. This is the f of x. This is the f of x. Means write as f of x is equal to, here write this one, 2 power 2x plus 1 here minus 2 by, this is also 2 power x plus 2 power 2x plus 1. Okay, this is separate fraction is separate fraction means 1 minus 2 by 2 power 2x plus 1. 1 minus 2 by 2 power 2x plus 1. Okay, this is the f of x. F of x, this is the f of x value. Okay, f of x is you have a derivative, differentiation of f of x. F of x derivative right here means this is right as 1 minus 2 into 2 power 2x plus 1, 2 power 2x plus 1 whole power minus 1, whole power minus 1. Okay, this is the whole power minus 1, 2 power 2x plus 1 whole power minus 1, right? Okay, what is the differentiation? F dash of x is equal to, f dash of x is equal to 1 derivative is equal to 0. Next to 2 only. Okay, this is the x power n formula, n into x power n minus 1 means n is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 power 2x plus 1 whole power minus 2. Minus 2. 2 power x plus 1 derivative is equal to a power x. A power x derivative is equal to a power x into log a means into 2 power 2x into log 2. 2 power 2x into log 2. F dash of x is equal to minus into minus plus 2 into, this is also right downside, 2 power 2x plus 1, 2 power 2x plus 1 whole square into 2 power 2x into log 2. This is the f dash of x. This is the f dash of x. Check the domain value. What is the domain value? Minus infinity to plus infinity domain value. Okay, write the negative value right here. Negative value right means 2 power minus 2x means downside 1 by 2 square. Next log 2 also positive. This is also positive downside right. This is also positive negative value, any negative value. This is the any negative value you have right whole square means this is also positive. Means f dash of x greater than or equal to 0. F dash of x greater than or equal to 0 means what is this? This is the 1 1 function. This is the 1 1 function. Okay, 1 1 function. Okay, check the next onto function. Okay, this is the 1 1 function. Okay, 1 1 function. Next check the onto function. What is the our f of x? This is the f of x. Okay, write f of x value. Okay, check onto function or not. Check onto or not. What is the f of x value? F of x is equal to 1 minus 2 by 2 power 2x plus 1, 2 power 2x plus 1. What is the range? This one range codomain. What is the codomain? Minus infinity to 1. Minus infinity to 1. This is the codomain. Minus infinity to 1 only. Minus infinity to 1. Okay, correct only. Okay, minus infinity to 1. Okay, right here minus infinity. You have take here minus infinity. Minus infinity, first you have minimum value. Minimum value means x tends to minus infinity. X tends to minus infinity. Here right, that implies here 1 minus 2 by 1 minus 2 by minus infinity, right, means 2 power minus infinity plus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 by 1 by, this is the 1 by 2 power infinity, 2 power infinity plus 1, 2 power infinity plus 1, 1 by 2 power infinity means this is the 0. Okay, 2 power infinity, 1 by infinity equal to 0. 0 means this is the 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. This is the minimum value is equal to minus 1. What is the maximum value? Okay, maximum value at x tends to plus infinity. Okay, x tends to plus infinity, you have to take plus infinity. Okay, maximum value. Okay, minimum maximum values means you have to check the minus infinity to plus infinity. This is you have check minus infinity to plus infinity. Domain, you have check the domain. Domain is equal to, you have answer is equal to range. This is the range equal to this one codomain. Okay, range equal to codomain. This is the range equal to, this is the domain, this is the codomain. Range is equal to codomain. The range is equal to codomain, that is the onto function. Both are not equal to means not onto function. This is the minus infinity, this is the 1 minimum value, this is the minus infinity. This is only not a correct. Okay, right. Next, maximum value. Maximum value of this one equal to 1 minus 2 by 2 power infinity plus 1. 2 power 2 in 2 power infinity plus 1 is equal to, this is also infinity, 2 by infinity is equal to 0, equal to 1 minus 0 equal to 1. This is the maximum value. What is the range? What is the range? Range, this is the range equal to minus 1 to 1 open interval, open interval. This is the, what is the codomain? Codomain is equal to not equal to minus infinity to 1, not equal to minus infinity to 1. Okay, this is the not equal to minus infinity to 1. This is not onto, this is not onto function, not onto function. Okay, each option is the correct here. 1 but not onto, 1 but not onto, option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, understand? Okay, right. Okay, this is the question number 4. The function f maps n to n minus set of 1 that to n defined by f of x is equal, f of n is equal to the highest prime factor of n is both, first option is both 1 1 and onto, and 1 1 function only, next onto function only, next neither 1 1 and nor onto. Okay, what is the given that question? Natural numbers, all are natural numbers, set A equal to natural numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to so on. Next, set B equal to, set B equal to only numbers 10, you have to take 1 2 3. Set B also natural numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 6. Okay, 4 5 6 up to so on. Okay, up to so on. Okay, what is the given that f of n equal to highest prime factor of n, highest prime factor of n. Suppose for example f of 1 you have take, this is the prime factor is there, this is not their prime factor. Okay, next f of 2, highest prime factor of 2 is equal to 2. Next f of 3, highest prime factor of is equal to 3. Next f of 4, highest prime factor of 2, f of 4 is equal to highest prime factor of 2. Next f of 5, prime factor is equal to 5. Next f of 6, prime factor is equal to highest prime factor is equal to 3. 3 is the prime factor, 2 also prime factor, highest prime factor is equal to 3. Okay, understand? This is also 3, this is also 3. f of 3 also 3 only. Next f of 6 also 3 only. Okay, this is the many to 1 function. This is the many to 1 function means many to 1. Okay, both are 1 1 and onto, and 1 1 only and onto only, neither 1 1 and nor onto. This is the many to 1 function. Many to 1 or many 1. Many 1 function. This is the many 1 function means many 1 function not a onto function. Many 1 function not a onto function. Okay, this is correct one. Not onto function. Not onto function. Okay, understand? Not onto function. Which option is the correct? Neither 1 1 nor onto. Neither 1 1 nor onto is the correct answer. Okay, understand? Okay, question number 5. Let A is equal to set of 1 2 3 4, B is equal to set of 1 4 9 16. Then the number of many 1 functions f maps A to B such that 1 belongs to f of A is equals to 1 belongs to f of A equals to, asking the question. Okay, listen carefully question. Okay, what are the set A and this is set B. Okay, set A elements are 1 2 3 4. Set B elements are 1 4 1 4 9 16. 9 16. What is the number of elements? Number of A. Number of A is equal to 4. This is also number of B. Number of B elements is equal to 4. This is the M. M is equal to 4. This is the N. N is equal to 4. What is the total functions? So number of total functions is equal to, okay, number of total functions. Okay, find the number of total functions. Form a functions equal to, formula is equal to n power m, equal to n is equal to 4, 4 power 4, 4 power 4 is equal to 216. How many, what do you want? Many one functions. Many one functions means here find the next number of one functions. Find the number of one functions also. Number of one functions. One functions. Number of one functions. Okay. Number of one functions, what is the formula? Number of one functions means npm equal to n is equal to p. This is also 4 equal to, this is the 4 factorial. 4 factorial equal to 24. Okay, this is the total number of functions minus one functions is equal to many one functions. Okay, you have to find the many one functions. Okay, total number of functions minus one functions is equal to many one functions. How many one functions? Many one functions. Many one functions. Many one functions equal to, many one functions is equal to, total number of functions is equal to 216 minus 24. Minus 24. 216 minus 24 is equal to, this is 2. 11 minus 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. 9. This is 192. 192 only. Oh, 192, 182. Oh, through 256. This one. 256. This one is equal to 256. Okay, 16 into 16 is equal to 256. This is the 256. Okay, right. This is 256. Means here also 256. Not a 216, 256. 256 minus 4 is equal to, this is 2. This is 3. 132. 130. 232. This is the 232. Okay, many one functions. Number of many one functions is equal to 232. Number of many one functions is equal to 232. 232 is their answer here. Answer 232 not there here answer. What is the asking the question? 1 belongs to f of a equals to 1 belongs to f of a. 1 not belongs to f of a is the subtraction. Okay, what is the condition here? Okay, 1 belongs to f of a means this is the f of a is the function 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. This is the set A, this is set B. 1 not belongs to, find the not belongs to, subtraction. Here 1 not belongs to means here 1 means 4, right, 9, 16 only. Okay, 1 not belongs. In this case equal to total functions 232. 232 is 1 belongs to f of a. 1 belongs to f of a functions. F of a. 1 belongs to f of a. Next another one equal to 1 belongs to not f of a. 1 not belongs to f of a. Okay, subtraction of the 1 not belongs to f of a. In 1 not belongs to f of a functions. Find the many one functions. Many one functions means how many number of functions. Okay, what is the number of total number of functions? Total number of functions here 4, here 3 means 3 power 4. Total number of functions. Number of functions. Total number of functions is equal to 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is equal to what? 3 power 4 means total number of functions 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is equal to what? 81. 81. 3 power 4 is equal to 81. Total number of functions. So minus 81 equal to 151. 151 is the many one functions. 1 not belongs to f of a. 1 not belongs to f of a. This is the 151 is the our answer. 151 is the our answer. Okay, this is Somaraj, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, watch my videos and like my videos and share my videos. Okay, subscribe my channel. Okay, go to my channel. You have prepared the each and every problem and every chapter. Okay, you get the good result in the JEE mains and advanced examinations. Okay, thank you for your watching.